Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, today on Get Veganized, we're going to make mushroom marsala served over udon Asian noodles. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up a pound of mushrooms, baby portobello mushrooms. Okay, here we are. We're going to put these in the skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and cook them until they're brown. Now I'm going to mince up 5 cloves of garlic. Alright, now we will go to the stove. Okay, here we are on the stove, cooking the mushrooms until they're nice and brown. It'll take about 5 minutes. Alright, as you can see, the mushrooms have released some water. Now it's time to add the garlic. Okay. I added the garlic. Now stir about a minute to get it all incorporated. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And a cup of Marsala wine. In my seasonings I have sage, salt, and pepper. Now we gently stir this up. And I'm going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes until sauce gets thickened. Okay, here I am back. As you see, the sauce has gotten thicker. I'm going to add 1 can of chickpeas. And stir for about a minute. Get them incorporated and heated up. Next I will cook my udon noodles and then we'll plate it up. Okay, welcome back to Get Veganized. I've plated up the mushroom and chickpea marsala over udon noodles. I also added some fresh grilled asparagus that I had time while the water was boiling for the noodles. Let's taste some of this and see how it is. Very good. Good Marsala flavor. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.